Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for more videos on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Today I have bought a new case for my Samsung Galaxy. No, not 8. My Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let me show you. Look at that, okay? Wonderful. I like it. As you can see, my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is here. Amazing phone for you. This is what I'm talking about. And today I decided to buy a new case. Before doing this, let me show you this. Look at this is my case. Amazing case. When you buy your beautiful Samsung Galaxy Note 8 on the box, you will see this. After after 3 months, I decided to buy this. But there's some problem with this. Look at that. It's broken. This is not good. Let me remove this beautiful case and test this. Let me test with you. Look at, not bad, but it's bad, bro. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Now I have decided to fix all of this problem with a new case that I want to show you right now is on this beautiful sachet. Okay, let me show you. Beautiful, wonderful for unboxing. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Yes, okay. Let's go to the unboxing right now. Okay, great. Now let's go to the unboxing of this beautiful sachet. Okay, look at the back. Wow, almost like this or like this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Look at that. Okay, I like it. Now let's go to the unboxing quickly. Beautiful. Okay, where are you? Okay, sachet is here. Unboxing. Crazy. It's so crazy. Okay, great. Now you have this. Look at that. This is my first experience. I never used this before. Ah, look at that. You can open. Wow. You can open, bro. How is possible, bro? How is possible? Crazy. And look at that. Okay. Remove this. And look at what you have now. Wow, crazy. If I sachet under, you can remove this sachet. Okay, before doing this, let's compare this to this. Look at almost the same. Look at the size. This is crazy. What is the difference? I don't know, bro. Wow. Ah, look at here. There's some difference here. Look at this in the new here is open. You can put your finger into just like that is open. But here is not open. Okay. Open under also. Look at that. It's okay, it's work. Well, it's the same. Now let's take the next. Look at the next. Open. Wonderful. Get ready. What you have? You have this. What is this? And what you can do with this? Okay, let me show you. Look at. Okay, open. Now, look at that. What is this, bro? What is this? Okay, when we do what you can do, look at that. Okay, you can put this into just like that and close. How is possible? It's closed and you can open. This is also a glass protect case. Oh, is it good? Yes or no? Look at protect case, really. Wow. Okay. Now, get ready for the test. When my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, please, not 8, is here. Amazing phone. Now, you can put your phone into just like that. Ooh, this is a big fake. Look at that. Look at that. This case is not for my phone, bro. Look at. Not working. Can you see this, bro? Okay, let's test this to see before. Let's test. Let's put this case into. And what? Now it's working. How is possible, bro? How is possible? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. What? This is crazy. It's so different than this and than this. Ah! What is this, bro? What is this again? I don't know. Okay. Let's remove the sachet. Okay. Data pizza. Okay, look at under. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. It's so crazy. Wow. Look at that. Okay. First of all, you need to do something special. Okay? Great, wonderful. What you need to do before? You need. Oh, let's remove what? Bro, it's not easy. But. Oh, be careful. Okay. Great. As you can see, there are a glass screen, a glue glass screen protector on my screen. As you can see, it's broken. Can you see this? It's broken. Look at. Now, I want to remove this. Okay, remove this. Okay, here also is so broken. Let me remove this glass screen protector right now. Okay, let me do this. Okay, as you can see, I remove this glue glass screen protector and is broken. Look at that. Now look at my phone. Okay, let me clean my screen right now. Okay, let me do this. Wow, look at under. Look at here. What is this? Okay, it need to clean. Okay, let me do this. Okay, bro, it's ready. Look at that. This is my phone. Crazy phone. For you. Okay. Now let's test this beautiful new case. Before doing this, let me remove this sachet. Okay. Put this phone, this case into my phone and remove this sachet after. First of all, put this phone here. Okay, put this phone here. Now get ready. Get ready. Okay, put this one into here and what? Okay, and let me try something special. If I put my phone directly on the beautiful sachet, on the beautiful case, just like that. Okay, can you see this? Wonderful. And to finish, if I put this into this, just like that, what I will obtain, look at, what do you think? Look at that, bro. Look at that. Okay, now what I can do? Okay, remove this sachet here. Remove this sachet. Look at that. Nice. And what I can do again? Remove this sachet. Wow, what is this? You need also to clean this screen. Okay. And what after? Look at that. All of your screen is protected with this case. Can you see this? Look at that, and you can see your beautiful camera appear here. Can you see this? This is what I'm talking about. What do you think about this, bro? What do you think about this? This is 360-degree case. This is what I think is his name, bro. Is his name. And when you do this, look at nothing. When you do this, great. Put it in the table. And now enjoy yourself. You need to clean your beautiful case. And well done. This is what I'm talking about. My Samsung Galaxy S Note 8 is here. The S Pen is also here. You can do this. Okay, write something. What is this? It's not working well, bro. This is what I think. It's not working well. Look at that. It's not good for me. It's not good. Wow. Clean. It's not good for me. Okay. Write something. Peace. No, it's not good. Look at that. It's not good. Oh. What can you do? The keyboard working. As you can see, the keyboard working, no problem. Look at that. You can see this is curved glass screen and it's crazy. What do you think, bro? What do you think? From the camera. Turn. Great. Wow. This is unbelievable. Okay, so tell me what you think about this under the video. And don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Wow. What is this? I don't know. This is my new case. My old case is here. We find another old case and its problem broken. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and get ready for the next video. Thank you for watching. Beautiful. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Amazing. This is so great. Okay, thank you for watching.